How to update iOS when you are low on storage. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can easily update your iPhone to the latest iOS version even if you are low on storage. Let's get started. First thing first, what you need to do is simply move into the settings. Once you're inside the settings, tap on General and then click on iPhone storage. Here you'll see what's taking up space. If your storage is almost full, don't worry. Delete unused apps. Scroll down, tap on an app you don't use, and then press on Delete App. You can also enable Offload unused apps. This removes the app but keeps your data safe. Step 2. Clear large files. Delete old videos, screen recordings, or big apps like games. Also check photos and remove duplicates or unnecessary pictures. Now step 3. Update using a computer. If you still don't have enough space, connect your iPhone to a MacBook or Windows PC. On Mac, open Finder. On Windows, open iTunes. Select your device and click on Check for Update. This method doesn't require as much free space on your iPhone. Finally, once you have enough space, go to Settings, General, and then move into Software Update. And then tap on Download and Install. And that's it. That's how you update iOS even when you are on low storage. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.